Hello, good afternoon, and thank you for having me here. Uh, as you would know, this year our theme of our overall presentation is Sustaining the Blue. And keeping in line with that, we have launched a very innovative product, Biofilter Pro, which is basically an advanced sewage treatment plant and sewage recycling plant. This plant or this product has been assembled in our newly inaugurated factory. Thermax WWS division inaugurated a very state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in April this year at Pune. This facility has modern infrastructure spread across 2 acres of land near to Pune. There are a few things which we are doing differently. Automated fabrication, as many of our water and wastewater treatment products that we offer requires various types of vessels. Earlier we used to procure all of those vessels from outside, but we decided that some few sizes of vessel up to certain size we are going to manufacture in-house. So we have set up a robotic automated welding systems which help us to execute this automated fabrication with lot of speed, accuracy and deliver very good quality. We did process mapping, process automation. We did extensive time and motion study, and basis that we have improved our processes and systems. We have deployed advanced material handling equipments like EOT, traverser, which help us to manage movement of our material faster at the same time in a very safe manner. And third thing what we have done, we have actually set up a very advanced warehousing system. So our ability to, if you have seen our earlier factory, we were spread all horizontal. Now we have gone vertical. So our ability to identify material and retrieval has become very, very fast. So with all of these changes and the modular design that we have deployed for our products and system, we are now in a position to address higher market demand and improving requirements of our customers. Thank you very, very much.